Hi everyone, today I'll show you a simple APDL code to get the number of nodes and elements in your model and save it into a text file. Let's go through it step by step. First, we run the APDL product launcher, mechanical APDL product launcher, and we just go here and which number I like, 14. And again, 14 and run. It will create a folder for us on the desktop, as you see. So where is 14? It's here. How many files we have? 18. 18 files we have. Okay. Okay, I have created my model. Now I go to my txt file that my commands are there. So I will copy this lines. So let us first check the scalar parameters. So we don't have num underscore nodes. And this command counts how many nodes are in your model. A star get means we are asking APDL to get some information. A star get some information. Nodes, node here, NODE, capital, tells it to look at nodes. 0 means global, the whole model, and counts means how many nodes. Let us do that. Parameters, scalar parameters, and yeah, num underscore nodes. We have 33,595 nodes. So now we will run these 4 lines from here. File, go to file, read input from, and I think it is here. Yeah, 0, the name of the file, 0 getting number of nodes, copy up. So now we will go back to the working directory. The working directory is here. So we had 18 files before. Now we have num underscore nodes.txt, and this is the number of the nodes. So we can simply use these 4 lines to get the number of the nodes. Let us do the same thing for the number of the elements. Okay, how can we do that? Okay, let us get rid of these lines. Start get num elements elem. So we write, and again I go to here and copy everything. So I highlight everything. We have 19 items here, and Control S. Now it is saved. Let us see what happens. File, read input from, and yep, error in format, not enough data format. Specific. Now, for example, when we put these commands here, we will receive an error. You need to remember that yes, it is like a comment, but when we use VWRITE, you shouldn't do that. You can't do that. Okay, now let us copy this. And do it again. Yeah, it works. It works. So parameters, scalar parameter. We have the number of elements, 27,000. And here, so we can't see the number of elements. So this means that, so why we cannot see the number of elements? That's the question. As I said, we have to memorize 4 lines. We have to have 4 lines here. So, okay, let us do it again. Let's start CFOPEN, because we didn't specify it is a txt file or whatever. File, read input from. Let us go back. Yes, now we have. So first we need to open, use star CFOPEN. I will explain to you one by one now. So star CFOPEN expects a file name like, I don't know, data.txt, but not here. Here is num underscore elements.txt. So star VWRITE, this command writes the value of the number of elements into the text file which was open in the previous lines, previous commands, and it writes the number of the elements. And F10, 0, this is the formatting instructions. It means that F means fixed point format, normal decimal numbers, I think. And 0 means no decimal places, just an integer. 10 means 10 spaces wide for both of them, okay? I hope you enjoy your video. Yeah, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel